welcome the new year with fireworks and cheers. The entire town is decorated for a festive New Year celebration. The countdown to midnight makes everyone excited. Our New Year's party is filled with games, music, and delicious snacks. The dazzling fireworks paint the night sky with vibrant colors. Everyone joins in the exciting New Year's countdown. My New Year's resolution is to read more books and make new friends. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,